in Poland. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for central and southwestern Louisiana. Remain alert. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Southwestern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Northwestern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Welsh, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jennings, Welsh, and Lake Arthur around 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mermentau around 9:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Evangeline and Egan around 9:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Morse around 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Iota around 9:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Roanoke, Midland, and Thurwood. This includes Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 53 and 75. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.